Hello students, welcome to the e-learning platform presented by Mechanical Engineering Department of Dr. Bapuji Saroke Institute of Engineering and Technology, Kolhapur. The learning objectives for today's session are: number 1, introduction and application to gas turbine. What do you mean by gas turbine and the application of gas turbine will be studied in today's session. Number 2, classification of gas turbine. The gas turbine, how the gas turbines are classified will be studied in today's session. Starting with gas turbine. The gas turbine is a machine delivering mechanical power or thrust. It does this using the gaseous working fluid. The mechanical power generated can be used by, for an example, industrial device. The outgoing gaseous fluid can be used to generate the thrust. The gas turbine obtains its power by utilization of the energy of a jet of burned gases and air. The velocity of jet being absorbed as it flows over several rings of moving blades which are fixed to common shaft. The basic components of an gas turbine can be shown by the below figure. The main basic three components of an gas turbine are compressor, combustion chamber and turbine. The compressor is used to compress the atmospheric air. The air is taken from the atmosphere and compressed isothermally. Thermally, the compressed air is burned into combustion chamber with the help of externally fired combustion or internally fired combustion, and the gases coming out from the combustion chamber are expand into turbine, in which in turn rotates the power coupling and the propulsion power is obtained, and the remedial gases are expand or exhaust to the atmosphere. So this is the are the basic components of an gas turbine. The gas turbine's working fluid is initially compressed in compressor, then it is heated in the combustion chamber, and finally it goes to the turbine. The turbine converts the energy of gas into mechanical work. Part of this work is used to drive the compressor, and the remaining part is known as net work of the gas turbine. The gas turbine requires air compressor, which usually driven off its own shaft. That's it. The air compressor is driven by the gas turbine itself. This absorbs a considerable proportion of power produced, and thus the overall efficiency of gas turbine is lower. So the efficiency or overall efficiency of an gas turbine is lower. The fuel used to work gas turbine are coal, gas, producer gas, blast furnace gas, oil, coal, kerosene, paraffin and diesel. The applications of gas turbine are as follows. Number 1, for supercharging of IC engine. In the IC engine sometimes require more amount of air for more power generation. At that time the gas turbines are used for supercharging. For locomotive propulsion or ship propulsion, and that is the for the movement of ship or for the locomotives. Third is industrial application like crude oil pumping, refining in process. Gas turbines are used in crude oil pumping refinery processes. Yes. Next, aircraft engine. The gas turbine plants are lower in weight and smaller in size for the same power output than that of IC engine. Hence, gas turbine plants are extensively used in aircrafts. Electric power generation, and it have low installation cost per kilowatt at installed capacity. This brings the attention and towards the use of gas turbine in for electric power generation. The Maharashtra State Board MACB have a large gas turbine based power station at Uran near Mumbai by installing four 6 megawatt sets and 408 megawatt sets of gas turbine. And last is for the turbojet and turbopropeller engine, that is for the turbojets and turbopropeller engines. The next point is classification of gas turbine. The first is constant pressure type or continuous combustion type. The gas turbine can be classified in number of ways. The first is constant pressure type, in which the pressure is constant throughout the system. It is also called as continuous combustion. Second, constant volume type. The constant volume type, it is the one in which the volume of air fuel mixture burned is constant throughout the process. It is also called the explosion type. Third, according to the thermodynamic cycle or cycle of operation, it is classified as open cycle and closed cycle gas turbine. Fourth, according to the cycle of operation and it is classified as open cycle and closed cycle, whereas according to the thermodynamic cycle it is classified as Brayton cycle or Joule cycle, that is constant pressure cycle, Atkinson cycle, that is constant volume cycle, and Ericsson cycle. And the according to the application, the gas turbine is classified as gas turbine used for or supercharging, for ship propulsion, for industrial application. And according to the fuel use, according to the different fuel use, the gas turbine is classified as diesel gas turbine, paraffin gas turbine, kerosene gas turbine, coal gas turbine, producer gas turbine. So this is it for today's session. In today's session we have completed the introduction of gas turbine, application of gas turbine, classification of gas turbine, and basic components of an gas turbine. This completes the fourth session of the second chapter. If you have any doubts, you can directly contact me. Thank you.